Let's go. Don't you wanna dance? Don't you wanna dance? Don't you wanna dance?
Yo guys, if you're new channel, my name is Boom. Don't you wanna dance? So today we're doing a dance tutorial on Don't You Wanna Dance. I think it's from Michael Jackson, like the all-time Michael Jackson, literally, and it's trending, guys, and it's trending for you guys and everyone out there. Literally, you can literally watch the video. I think I'll post the shots somewhere here. I think I'll put the video somewhere here for you guys to see it. It's trending online everywhere, basically, guys. So you can check it out on your channel on the page. You can check it out on your channel on your page, and you can see the tutorial there. And the video, I think, it's just basically dance of Michael Jackson, and you know, this moment, you just released the movie of Michael Jackson, and everybody has been watching it. So yeah, it's coming back to trend again. Can you imagine? Yeah, can you imagine? That guy is come back to trend once more for you guys to see. So now this video is this dance for Michael Jackson. Please also subscribe to the channel. Can you subscribe down below, like this video, share it to your friends and family, and let's dive right into the video now. For this video, the first step in this dance tutorial is, don't you want to dance? You and your friend, let's go. Boom, 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 boom. Then you mash your leg forward. Now, by hitting, remember your right, your left, your right, your left. So you are hitting your right leg forward with your neck pushing forward. So it's not like this. While your two hands are falling back, your chest out. So it's the beat is bam, 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 bam. So it's something like bam, 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 bam. Unless you make it the sound. 5, 6, 7, go. Yo, my friends, let's go. Don't you wanna dance? Don't you wanna dance? Just, they like doing this. Bam, 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 bam. Or like just doing bam, bam, bam. Just tapping on the feet. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't you wanna dance? Listen, guys. Don't you wanna dance? Don't you wanna dance? Dance. Boom, boom, boom. Once I'm tapping my feet, my legs are going forward. So it's 2, 3, 4. Let's go from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. You and your friends, let's go. No. Let's go. Don't you wanna dance? Don't you wanna listen, guys? So you hit ground, then you shoot forward. 1, 2, just point out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. Remember, you're counting to 4. The 4 times that you are doing the first step. Is don't you want to dance? Bam, bam. Don't you want to dance? Bam. Let's go. 4 times. Then after that, the next thing to do, so move on to the next step, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you now start pointing. You point in anybody that's happy. So whatever side you are going with, if it's your right or your left, remember you get on the pointing the person. So let's go on the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yo, your friend, let's go. Don't you want to dance? Sorry. Your friend, let's go. Don't you want to dance? Don't you want to dance? 2, 3, 4. I see it. So if you don't you want to dance? 2, 3, 4. You want to dance? 2, 3, 4. Just the same step. Once you are positioned like this, hitting, next step to point forward, hit. Same thing. Point forward, hit. Go again, hit. That ain't supposed to be hard, guys. This is one of the simplest dance to do on the internet, and you can literally train with it, guys. Your video can literally go viral if you're dancing this kind of dances, guys. So I usually bring to you guys trendy songs, trendy dances on the internet, on the space, on the social media space, your YouTube, your whatever. I'm not going to say the talks like everything here now. So basically, let's just do it now. 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't you want to dance? Don't you want to dance? Don't you want to? So guys, after you have pointed forward like this, 1, 2, 3. Let's do this one. Lean forward. Now you're leaning with your back forward. While still pointing, while still hitting. Remember, you're holding on to your performance step. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Your hands are still forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. You are not removing any steps, so you are still doing the same thing all through, but you are adding more of your body into it. The first one is just 1, 2, 3, 4. Second one, you are adding your hands forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. The third one, you are really forward. You are bending forward like just bend your back forward, then keep on eating it down, like literally keep on eating it. Yeah, just keep on eating it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't you want to dance? Don't you want to dance? Let's go. Sorry. I'm moving into the next step. You know the next step is the first one. So this just 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's for Michael Jackson. Just this Michael Jackson dance. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. Yeah, your friend, let's go. Don't you wanna dance? Don't you wanna dance? Don't you wanna dance? Once I've done that this, the next one is to move forward. 1, 2. You just drag forward. 1, 2. You just literally drag forward, like. So let me do it together and get it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't you wanna dance? Don't you wanna dance? Don't you wanna dance? Go! That's just it, guys, basically. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe down below, like this video, share it to your friends and family, and comment everything in the comment section. Let's do it one more time. Let's do it in slow mo time. 5, 6, 7, go. Don't you wanna dance? Come on now, you and your friend, let's go. Don't you wanna dance? Don't you wanna dance? Don't you wanna dance? Let's go. And slow mo, guys. Now, if I'm going into the fast pace, those of you have catch up with them already. Let's go together. 5, 6, let's go. 5, 6, 7, let's go. Don't you wanna dance? Don't you wanna dance? Don't you wanna dance? Don't you? Guys, that is fun. That's what I'm doing, guys. That is fun. I think I've uploaded this several times, and it's fun while I'm making this video. So you can literally try it out and you see it's fun, guys. Because this video, when you do a dance tutorial or you do a dance challenge from this tutorial, put hashtag to your boom on your video so I can repost it for you guys and share that to you guys. So this is the end of the video. If you like this video, can you subscribe down below, like this video on this channel, like this video, comment in the comment section, and congratulations to us, guys, for our 6,000 followers. Yeah, congratulations to us, and more to come. Thank you all for subscribing to the channel. I'm not going to watch the videos over here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.